Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a pickup truck. First, take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility. Remember, pickup trucks are significantly larger and heavier than most cars, so understanding their dimensions is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard controls, including lights, wipers, and gear selector. This initial setup ensures you have a clear view and easy access to all necessary functions before you even start the engine, setting a safe foundation for your drive. When driving, anticipate turns by making them wider to accommodate the truck's longer wheelbase, often several feet more than a sedan. Maintain a greater following distance, perhaps 3 to 4 seconds, as the increased weight means longer stopping distances. Use your large side mirrors constantly for lane changes and to monitor your surroundings, especially the blind spots. Smooth acceleration and gentle braking are key to a comfortable and controlled ride in a larger vehicle. Parking a pickup requires a bit more finesse. When backing into a space, use your side mirrors and any available backup camera as your primary guides. Aim to position your truck so it's straight before fully entering the spot. For parallel parking, remember the truck's extended length. You'll need a larger gap than you might for a car. Practice three-point turns in open areas to get a feel for the truck's turning radius, which is typically wider. If you plan to tow or haul, first understand your truck's specific payload and towing capacities, usually found in the owner's manual. When connecting a trailer, ensure it's properly hitched and all safety chains and electrical connections are secure, with working lights. Adjust your driving by reducing speed, increasing following distance to 5 or 6 seconds, and braking much earlier and more gently. Always distribute your load evenly to maintain stability and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.